Meet Samuel Dupont, visionary third-generation general manager steering the DuPont toy manufacturing company of Switzerland. To propel his company into a global market expansion plan, Samuel has chosen to revolutionize operations with PRESTO P-D-C-A, issue and ticket management software for growth-focused companies. But how does PRESTO P-D-C-A seamlessly integrate into the daily operations of DuPont toys? Let's dive into the heart of it, on the issue management dashboard. Here's where the magic begins. Starting with the top-down view of your company, the dashboard empowers managers to effortlessly capture and map issues across teams. Using the organizational chart to navigate, with a simple drag-and-drop interface, Samuel needs only a few seconds to zoom into his business area of choice and assign issues directly to his team leaders. Observe as Samuel efficiently assigns a quality-focused customer complaint to Fred DeLuca's client service team. Utilizing the sleek and intuitive drag-and-drop user interface, Samuel assigns a preloaded action plan to Fred's team in seconds, allowing him to govern every corner of his company with precision and ease, and ensuring seamless alignment for success. Ensuring a comprehensive overview of the company's operational landscape with a focus on ISO 9001 and lean management principles, each issue is intuitively displayed in its appropriate category: safety, quality, delivery, cost, morale, training, and sustainability. Furthermore, the dashboard provides a dynamic feature that allows users to filter issues based on their current lifecycle phase. To do, doing, or done. Finally, the color-coded status indicators further enhance visibility, highlighting potential delays in yellow, or issues that require immediate attention in red. Let's see how Fred makes out.
With the click of a button, I can access a detailed list of the issues assigned to my team.
Yet, managers aren't the only ones on this journey. Staff members, especially those at junior levels, easily capture issues and review their assigned action plans on the simplified issue management landing page. For on-the-go moments, any staff member can use their mobile devices to instantly capture and fix issues. Whether it's a broken window in the warehouse, or a flat tire on the delivery truck, snap a photo, add details, and not only does it appear instantly on the dashboard but also triggers email alerts and push notifications to supervisors, ensuring immediate attention. And now, let's unveil the groundbreaking action plan push notification features. Meticulously crafted platform-generated emails and alert notifications are seamlessly dispatched to keep the team vigilant and informed about potential delays. All your staff needs is an email address. Let me reiterate, not every staff member is required to use the PRESTO P-D-C-A system, but all will benefit from the inbound action plan communications received. This allows you to maintain a small, controlled group of software users that you can gradually expand, continuously leveraging the platform's wide-scale communication benefits. In the dynamic world of business, where every second counts, PRESTO P-D-C-A provides a multi-channel approach to issue capture, ensuring that no matter where you are or how you work, your company stays connected and proactive. Empower your team, streamline your operations, and embrace the future with PRESTO P-D-C-A. Revolutionize your approach to issue and ticket management today.